Captain Petukov's log.
Let's get the rock.
Captain Petukov's log. January 10th, 2010. Teddy Vinstra on the 1 and 2. Splashing me. Splashing my camera. We are approaching the destination.
The rock.
Grande Rock. Welcome to the Rock.
Sean Connery.
Sean Connery and whoever else. We have a rock down there and the beach very, very far away, aquí. We have been paddling for...
You might ask us why we only have one paddle.
Yes, you might ask if you look around. We only have one paddle. It is somewhere out here.
We'll find it.
And some lucky stranger will find it. Though, it probably will not be us.
I wonder how many colones it will cost.
It doesn't matter how many colones this will cost us, because we don't care. And we continued our journey with one paddle, may I say.
Very fucking far.
Very fucking far, excuse my language, because, well, what we do. So now we're going to attempt to go around this rock.
In between.
In between. There is quite the surf over there.
Dude, look how choppy it is right there.
It's choppy. We can go around if you want.
We're trying to go through.
We're trying to go through. I would like to keep this camera function going during this endeavor.
Here, what do you think?
Stay to the right.
That's tough, dude.
Nah.
Alright, let's get it.
Stay to the right. We got it. I'm going to zoom in into the rock and show the audience what we're faced with and how we're going to beat this.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
You want to stay facing the opponent. Never turn our back.
Never let him see you quit.
And we're going to continue on. I'm going to pause for a commercial break.